Hello, third graders, and welcome to Grammar. We're going to continue looking at pronouns today. A quick reminder that pronouns are words that replace regular nouns, and nouns are people, places, or things. They are used to generalize these types of nouns. Now we looked at some examples of nouns like mom, crayon, park. Any people, places, or things are nouns. Now we can replace these in a sentence by using things like she instead of mom, or it instead of crayon, or that instead of park. We also looked at how we could identify nouns in a sentence by looking at people, places, and things, and filling in pronouns in place of words. Let's look at example or number 1 real quick. Erica wanted to play outside with her friends. We could change Erica to she. The pronoun she wanted to play outside with her friends could be replaced with them. She wanted to play outside with them. Now here are a couple more examples of pronouns that we're going to look at today. He, her, I, it, me, nobody, she, someone, them, us, you, and they. In our examples today, we're going to use the strategy of saying blank when we come to a word we can replace, a noun that we can replace with a pronoun, and plugging in the correct pronoun. For this assignment, we will do the odd numbers together, and you will complete the even on your own. Let's go ahead and begin. Number 1, the book I am reading is interesting. Now we're looking for a word to replace the book, and we choose the pronoun it. It is about dinosaurs. What is it? It is the book. Let's jump to number 3. Did blank finish his homework yet? So I see that whoever we are talking about is a boy. So what word do you think in our word bank could we use to fill in the blank? Did blank finish his homework yesterday? He. Did he finish his homework yesterday? Go ahead and type that out on your class kick. Number 5. Blank are trying out for basketball during first recess. Blank are trying out for basketball during recess. Now we know that whoever or whatever we're talking about is more than one because we have the word are. Now it wouldn't be I are trying out for basketball. If we're talking about more than one person, what pronoun could we use from our word bank? They. They are trying out for basketball during first recess. Type in they. Number 7. You seem to be in a hurry. Can you go before blank? So think about people in a line. You seem to be in a hurry. You can go before blank. They're talking about themselves. So you can go before me. Type in me. You can go before me. Number 9, blank is perfect. Making mistakes is part of learning. Blank is perfect. Making mistakes is part of learning. Nobody. This is a saying, so I'm going to go ahead and give this one for you. Nobody is perfect. Making mistakes is part of learning. Type in nobody. And finally, number 11, Lydia was worried. I forgot to tell blank that I would be late. So what could we replace for Lydia? I forgot to tell, probably her mom. Lydia was worried. I forgot to tell blank that I would be late. Or maybe she's telling Lydia. What pronoun could we replace? I forgot to tell blank that I would be late. I forgot to tell her. Add the pronoun her. Now for the following words, you are going to type your answers inside of the blanks. And this assignment is going to be graded. So please make sure that you are checking your work and reading the sentence after you put your answer in there. On Wednesday, I saw a lot of people put in words that didn't make sense. So after you add a word, read through the sentence to make sure it makes sense.